Well, of course, that could be the latest spark of all these feuds that we are witnessing, because he was supposed to have another meeting that is 700 meters from the Tononoka grounds, and we are speaking of the Mvita grounds. Earlier on the evening that of course, before actually the day that we woke up to yesterday, he had gone himself with a member of parliament who have been supporting him actually to go and have a reconnaissance check on what is happening on the ground, prepare for that particular meeting. But last minute, they were given that order by Makupa police station, which read that they were not supposed to have that particular meeting simply because the president was having another meeting that is close to that particular meeting. The explanation was not very clear, and we saw the Joho team actually coming back, lashing at the government, saying that this is taking the country backward, and they were actually angry for not having that particular meeting. But at the end of the game of this whole affairs, they actually say that they will comply with this directive, and that is why we didn't see this particular meeting. But after that happened, now this is actually the latest that is now emerging. Now that the governor made a commitment that he'll be attending that particular meeting, and that is what looks like has not made some quarters, especially those in the national government, happy about his declarations.